Hey friends, if your computer keeps freezing when you're watching videos, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, it is nothing to do with the graphics card processor. This is a fallacy that is being spread, but I will help you with it first of all. So run the video troubleshooter first. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side, select troubleshoot in the right pane, select other troubleshooters, scroll down, click on run corresponding to the video playback troubleshooter. Okay, this is what you have to run. And the next one is to update the graphics card drivers. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Now expand the list for display drivers. Right click on the first one, select update driver and search automatically for drivers. Right click on the second one and search automatically for drivers. Okay, now while we are updating the graphics card drivers, we do not really need to add a GPU or anything because GPU is something that you require for gaming processes or graphic intensive processes. A video is not one of them. A video needs graphics, it doesn't need graphics to that level. What is needed here is the CPU. But anyway, we'll come to that later. So now troubleshoot in the clean boot state just in case there is some third party software causing the problem. So search for what do we say, system info configuration in the Windows search bar and click on system configuration. Go to the services tab, check the box associated with hide on Microsoft services. If any of the services check, click on disable all, apply, okay, and then restart your computer. The last solution is to buy a new RAM. It's easy. Open amazon.com, okay, and then wait for the website to load. Okay, it was asking for characters. Let us do the needful. Okay, we'll click on continue shopping. I'll tell you how to find a new RAM. Now search for RAM. If if your system is let's say you just upgraded to a Windows 11 system and are facing this issue, that is because the recommended RAM for a Windows 10 system was 4 GB, but for a Windows 11 system it is at least 8 GB. So first of all, you need to make sure that you have sufficient RAM depending upon the operating system, and after that you need 4 GB of extra RAM. Let's say that you had sufficient RAM, then you need 4 GB of extra RAM, or if you did not have it, then you need 8 GB of extra RAM. So we will say RAM, but we need to know which DDR of RAM. Let's say it was DDR4. Okay, so you will simply type 8 GB. Okay, and then you can buy this one, the Crucial RAM. I usually trust this brand. Or you can buy Clev, or simply do one thing, just check it by what do you say, average customer review. See, Crucial has the best average customer review, and I think they're 20,000 something reviews. Then there's something called as this G Skill RAM, though I think that I know more of it for gaming, from the gaming perspective. And yes, it has a 16 GB slot only, so you can choose accordingly. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.